Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove the autofill credit card from your iPhone. Let's say you have multiple credit cards added to your iPhone, however one has run out of date, and when you keep coming to pay for things, the payment is failing. This can waste a lot of time, but more importantly can be extremely embarrassing if you're at a till. This is easy to rectify by deleting that old credit card. So to do that, let's first head over to the iPhone settings here. Now we're in the iPhone main settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to Safari, and once we get to Safari, let's click into that. Now once we're in Safari, let's come down here until we get to Autofill, and then let's tab into that. And in the Autofill section, you can see both the contact information and your credit card information. So in the credit card section, you can see it's currently tabbed on, and underneath you can see saved credit cards, so let's tab into that. You'll need to use your Face ID or your passcode on your iPhone to log into this page. So let's say this is an old credit card and it's no longer needed and it's run out of date. So what you want to do, you want to swipe left on that credit card and then select this delete button here. Now if you want to add a new credit card, you can simply click this add credit card here, and then you can enter the new credit card details, and this will then be auto suggested whenever you come to pay anything. Hope that helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.